Rothco's Rolling Large Transfer Pack is versatile and perfect for travel, tactical, and everyday use. Made with durable polyester, this pack is complete with an abundance of features. Coated with water-repellent lining and equipped with wheels which allow for a smooth and easy roll, Rothco's rolling pack is ready for any terrain. The Rolling Transfer Pack features adjustable padded shoulder straps with D-rings for a comfortable carry option. Featuring MOLLE webbing on the front and sides and hook and loop backing, this pack is MOLLE compatible and when extra space is needed will easily attach to Rothco's backup connectable backpacks. The top and sides of this pack have web straps with quick release buckles to allow for easy cinching. Rothco's Rolling Transfer Pack allows for plenty of storage with a main large compartment, a front compartment, and a smaller exterior zippered pocket. The Rolling Transfer Pack includes a padded back with breathable mesh and is hydration bladder compatible. The hydration space can easily be used as a hideaway for the straps when using the pack as a rolling bag. The telescoping rod is easily accessible with the push of a button and extends to 39 inches high, allowing for an easy roll. Rothco's Rolling Large Transfer Pack is perfect for any user.